Blitz.
We got the 3 Blizzard Blitz. In the left field, we got Johnson. He's a bit of a wild card. Not much. We don't know much about this guy. All right, he just kind of showed up one day, said, "Hey, I can eat ice cream like a madman." This guy over here, Hodowanic, the man who does not get brain freeze. He is the ultimate ice cream eater. He is the #1 seed in this tournament. Hasn't lost an ice cream challenge in over 3 years. I once watched him eat 1 large Blizzard and half of a 5-pound ice cream cake in under 10 minutes. Needless to say, we have a terrific competition ahead of us, folks.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. We have the Hawaiian and we have the Strawberry Oreo.
All right, gentlemen, touch gloves if you choose to. Let's get her on.
Can't imagine not getting a brain freeze. That's such an advantage. His mustache is
dirty mustache.
Just don't spit on my camera.
I don't even know what to say about that right now.
What's the time, Mr. Keller?
We're at 30 seconds.
No way.
Whoa.
Oh, he's half.
And Corey has 1 down.
Holy cow.
This is unreal.
This
Are they gonna
is
start doing like the shake method soon, like the hot dog guys? CD's on #3.
No, he's got half.
Oh, he's going half first? Oh, okay.
it's an intimidation technique.
2 down in 1 minute and 10 seconds for Corey Hodowanic. That is a new world and Olympic record, folks. This is incredible. We are witnessing history today.
Those CDs just pushing gigantic.
Oh, double spoons.
These people have ice cream on their nose, ice cream on their chin, ice cream on their laps, shirts, and mustaches, arms. It is unbelievable. It is pure mayhem out here, ladies and gentlemen. Respect. Corey Hodowanic looking to finish a challenge. If he gets it in 5 seconds, it's under 2 minutes.
No way.
Oh! Oh, 3 Blizzards in exactly 2 minutes! Oh! He just ate 3 Blizzards in exactly 2 minutes.
No chance.
You gonna finish those?
Yep.
Hey, good job.
The adversity was when we were driving over here, we got stuck in traffic. We actually spilled all over ourselves trying to not get it in CD's new car. So, I don't know, it was good.
The chunks, I got to the pineapple chunks in the Hawaiian and they slowed me down a little bit. And that's where I think Corey got the edge. Until next year.
CD's even impressed.